City Farm.
Hi, it's me, Ella. This is a song that you may know. It's all about a star. A little star. A little star that twinkles.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. What you are above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, little star, twinkle, little star, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. What you help us brush our teeth tonight. Brush our teeth with your glowing starry light. Starry light. Twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. You help us find a bedtime bag. Time for a bag. Use your glow to light a path. Twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. What you help me fix my PJs, please. Help me, please. Wow, the star is our friend Bee. Well done, Bee. Twinkle, little star. Twinkle, little star.
Hi, I'm Ella. Some special new friends are visiting us on the farm today. 2 tigers. I know a song about them. Sing with me.
On the farm, there's something new. 2 little tigers.
1, 2.
Let's take care of them today. Oh no!
The tigers ran away.
2 little tigers
Learn to love,
run very fast.
How they're quiet.
Now we have to find them.
Now we have to find them.
Where could they be?
Where could they be?
Let's play hide and seek. Look high and low.
Come out, little tigers. Where did they go?
Tigers use their stripes to hide. Look, let's see what we can find.
Are they here? Are they there? There you are!
2 little tigers
Learn to love,
run very fast.
How they're quiet.
Now we have to find them.
Now we have to find
Where
them.
could they be?
Where could they be?
It's Ella's turn to hide. She starts to run.
Hide and seek is so much fun.
The tigers search high and low.
Where did our friend Ella go?
Is she here?
Is she there?
He.
There you are! 2 little tigers
Learn to love,
run very fast.
how they're quiet.
It's fun to play together.
Fun to play together.
On Lellobee, Lellobee. It's fun to play together on Lellobee.
Lellobee City